In the heart of the vast and uncharted wilderness that was North America, long before the arrival of Christopher Columbus, lay the thriving civilization of the Mound Builders. These enigmatic people, known today as the Adena, Hopewell, and Mississippians, were skilled architects, their legacy etched into the earth as massive earthen mounds that still stand as testaments to their ingenuity. In the regions that are now the Ohio and Mississippi River valleys, the Mound Builders built their cities, their homes, and their temples. They were a society deeply connected to the land, their lives revolving around the cycles of nature. Their civilization, however, was not without its crises. The Mound Builders faced numerous challenges, from the harsh climates of their environments to the constant struggle for resources. One of the most significant crises they faced was the depletion of resources. As the Mound Builders expanded their cities, they depleted the resources in their immediate environments. This led to a migration of these societies, as they sought new lands to call home. Another crisis was the constant threat of war. The Mound Builders were not a unified people, but a collection of separate societies. These separate societies often found themselves at odds, engaging in fierce battles for territory and resources. Despite these challenges, the Mound Builders adapted and persevered. They developed a sophisticated trade network, allowing them to exchange resources and goods with neighboring tribes. They also developed advanced farming techniques, allowing them to sustain their growing populations. The Mound Builders society continued to thrive for centuries, their influence spreading throughout the eastern woodlands. However, around the 15th century, their civilization began to decline. The reasons for this decline are still a subject of debate among historians, but it is believed that overhunting, deforestation, and the introduction of new diseases from European contacts may have played a role. The Mound Builders' legacy, however, lives on. Their architectural marvels continue to intrigue archaeologists and historians alike, offering a glimpse into a forgotten civilization that once thrived in the heart of the pre-Columbian Americas. Their story serves as a reminder of the ingenuity and resilience of humanity, even in the face of adversity. In the end, the Mound Builders Society may not have survived, but their impact on the history of North America is undeniable. Their story is a testament to the rich and varied history of the pre-Columbian Americas, a history that continues to unfold as new discoveries are made and new theories are proposed.